Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. In this lovely days of Holi, Hinduism and Pushtimag is a sect. By the various colors, we enlighten our souls. So let us understand the meaning of Holi in Pushtimag, the spiritual meaning of Holi and importance of Holi in Pushtimag and Hinduism, as it is known as the Festival of Colors or the Festival of Love. Worldwide, this festival is celebrated as a time of spreading love and color in this world and having fun. But its meaning and its importance is so much more in the tradition of Pushtimag. Although this experience is undoubtedly a time for fun, games, laughter, and joy, it is also the time for spiritual practices and to reconnect with God through devotion, seva, khel, samagris, and many more. The meaning of Holi or Dol Utsav in Pushtimag. Why do we celebrate Holi or Dol in Pushtimag? Let us understand. Holi originated in the conquering of the demon King Hiranyakashipu and the pastime of Lord Shri Krishna in the joyful moments between him, Radha, and the gopis of Vraj. Spiritually, this festival represents the triumph of good over evil, the importance of love of the Lord Shri Krishna, and an opportunity for a fresh start, transformation in our lives. Dol Utsav means the large swing made from creepers, flowers, leaves, etc., on which Sri Thakurji and Sri Swamniji swings together, while gopis sprinkle kesuda, gulal abir, etc. on Sri Prabhu and amongst each other. Since Holi or Dol Utsav was born out of the playtime between Sri Krishna and the gopis, we can bring this into our own lives, simultaneously Sajawat Manorath and honoring Sri Thakurji in another way to praise Lord Sri Krishna and to honor the sanctity of this day in our lives by reconnecting with the real spirit, purpose of this event. Seva is another vital component of celebrating Holi, as it reminds us of our importance of serving others and serving the Lord Shri Krishna. Dol Utsav is an important time for us to renew our spiritual purpose and to reconnect with the love we have for Lord Shri Krishna. Dol Utsav is an important time for us to renew our spiritual purposes and to reconnect with the love we have for Lord Shri Krishna. So as you enjoy the colors and joy of this beautiful celebration, remember also to honor the spiritual depths of this event in your life. In this time of pandemic, let us celebrate the joyful colors of this Holi with our Shri Krishna Thakurji in our homes. Let us celebrate the colorfulness of this Pushtimag by Shri Prabhu's Seva and to surrender ourselves in the lotus feet of Lord Shri Krishna. Wish you all a very happy Holi.